Good morning! The reason I filmed that in a mirror is because when I went to do it like this, I was like, it looks like I'm not wearing a shirt. But I am. I just didn't want to jump on camera and y'all think that I'm automatically naked. I kind of look like summer at the top, but then I have like my socks on, which are 50% for warmth and 50% so I can slide around the apartment. Anyways, good morning everyone, or good afternoon. I got some candles burning, I got the windows open, I've got the new Lanny album playing on repeat because it's fall, and with fall comes new opportunities. No, I'm just kidding. I love fall because I spend all of October hyping myself up for the best holiday of the year, my birthday. My birthday is on the 26th, and then Halloween is on the 31st. So I feel like all month long, I just get super hyped and super fall vibes and super prepared to celebrate and party for like a week straight. And I'm really excited this year because I just booked something super awesome for the end of this month. I'm not gonna tell you guys what I'm doing until I do it, because that's how I roll. I want to, first of all, get the smudge off my camera, but second of all, I want to tell you guys kind of about what this vlog is. So what I'm starting for this month, and I would love to continue this for the rest of all eternity, this is going to be a series where basically I just vlog throughout October, and the title of this vlog, as you probably already saw from the intro, is going to be Scary Hours, because it's a shout out to the one and only Drake. But also, it's October, and October is scary, and I like it. Anyways, look how cute. I love you. I'm about to actually film a clothing haul video that I'm going to be posting on Friday. I went thrifting for the very first time like last weekend with one of my friends, Jake. Y'all know Jake.
My name's Jake, what?
So I'm just gonna be talking about like these 4 items that I got while I was thrifting. I haven't done like a clothing haul in a long time because I'm broke, girl. Spend all my money on freaking plane tickets and dog food. I like set up my lighting and stuff right here, and I just realized I left my tripod in my car and it's all the way down the stairs. Maddie, help me. I'm so sad. And I really don't want to go get it, so I think I'm just gonna try and prop it up on like a small tripod on top of this chair or something. Okay, tripod's on the camera. And this should hopefully be all Gucci. This should probably be okay. Eh? Put you out there and then zoom in. No, that didn't work. Damn it! Oh, a shoebox. Okay, that should be 100% better. This to hold that still. Voila! That's what y'all look like. Y'all are just like sitting right there on that dusty old shoebox. Then I have the lights. And then I think is that a dog? Creep. I am finished filming. That was probably the quickest I've ever filmed a video ever. I bet it's gonna be like 5 minutes long. I literally ended up just immediately going to my car anyway because I'm starving and I have no food at the house. And also, because I have a package to pick up, and I didn't order anything, so that must mean it's an early birthday present. I'm trying to set you up, but fucking Joby leg's broken. F you, Joby! It's not Sunday, right? Because I really want Chick-fil-A. Oh my god, this freaking drive-thru is so long. If I run out of gas in this drive-thru, that's gonna be like super embarrassing. We're moving, yes! I just cussed out this girl beside me because she tried to get in front of me. Bitch, wait your turn. Man, I would so go inside right now, but I'm not really wearing a shirt. The song always reminds me of Escapade.
It'll be 226.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
My pleasure. Hell yeah! Now let's just hope I can get to the gas station without running out of gas. These gas stations have TVs on them.
Attention to detail.
That's so cool. French fry opening my first birthday present. Mukbang. Oh wait, it's not mukbang if I don't eat. I can't believe I didn't eat these fries all the way over here. French fries and Chick-fil-A sauce. If you haven't had this, you have not lived. It looks fancy. Oh my god! Erin, You're an extraordinary person, and I want to help give you an extraordinary birthday. This is just the start. Happy early birthday, B. B as in Barnacle Boy. This is from Barnacle Boy. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I can't get this bow off. Drawstring bag. Oh my god. Ow, I just hit my funny bone. Ow. What is this? Oh my god. This is so cool. It's literally photos of beaches like all around the world. Wait, it's more than beaches. Mountain gondolas. Oh my god, it's just like a bunch of really dope photography. I'm gonna go to all of these places in this book. Oh my god, this is the coolest photo ever. It's llamas with balloons. Thanks, Brayden, you're the best. I love birthdays. Cute. I'm just gonna work on my fall Spotify playlist, which should be out by the time you watch this video. So click on the link in the description to listen to my fall playlist. I do one for every season. I have to work on a newsletter for one of the companies that I work for. Yay, work. Work is so much fun. But at least I got this one to keep me company. So if y'all remember last year, we snuck into this old church and took some creepy Halloween pictures of us as unicorns. Sneaking into this old abandoned cathedral. Come on. This is like the only way. Was it pretty sturdy though? Come on, dude. No. This is crazy. So excited. It's beautiful. Lights, camera. We're taking some creepy pictures. We're sexy unicorns. Photographer Joey. And this year, Caitlin and I are gonna sneak into Target. Well, I guess not really sneak into Target because you're allowed to walk into Target. We're going to be ghosts and take creepy Halloween ghost pictures. We're scoping out locations right now. So we could literally be just like smack down in this candy aisle. Jackpot. We got our unicorn heads here last year. This is all that I seem to see. Look, what if we wore these last time? Like a full body one.
What about these though?
Oh my god. Guess what?
What? We're back.
These are the heads. These are the heads we use. This is our photographer.
Hello.
And we're going to be taking some ghost photos in public. People are still, yes, here.
Oh, I started vlog?
Yeah, go ahead, shot.
We don't know you. No, we don't know you. We don't know you. We don't know. We don't know. We don't know. We don't know you. No, we don't know you. We don't know you. No, but it still hurts.
Oh, I'm in it. My bad.
And that's a wrap. How do y'all feel?
I feel hungry.
For candy.
I want to go trick-or-treating.
Me too. Another day, another dollar spent. We went shopping. Look who it is. It's Vanessa.
It's me.
We went shopping for a baby shower, and we're going to show you what we got because it's super freaking cute. Yay! Go for it. A baby unicorn.
So cute.
Don't hold it. Of course you are.
It's so soft.
With unicorn pajamas.
Aww.
And a matching unicorn book called Uni the Unicorn. The story goes like this. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not going to read it. But it's actually really cute, and I almost started crying right there in the book aisle.
It's sweet.
It's about a unicorn whose friends don't believe that human girls exist. A unicorn card. Why are you laughing?
We just went all out.
And a unicorn shopping bag. Yes. So let's wrap it. Oh, that's cute. See, I would have never done that. Is that weird?
A little. Okay.
She's all in.
That way she can just like make her work for those unicorns.
Keeping in the theme of the vlog is unicorns. I was just talking about unicorns. I put on a unicorn head at Target.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that one.
And we went to Target to get all of this stuff. They just have so much unicorn stuff there.
You really did. And it's coming from 2 unicorns.
Draw a baby.
I don't know how to draw a baby.
Yeah, you do.
I can draw a bat.
Why would we want a bat?
I don't know, that's just what I drew recently.
Vanessa's doing some yoga. Work it, girl. Because her back hurts. I got an ice pack in my pants because I'm on my period and I'm cramping. And we're making some comfort food. Gluten-free and vegan macaroni and cheese. And we're gonna cut up some vegan hot dogs and put in it. And some peas. You can't forget the peas. It's an old family recipe. We just went to the store because we needed to get almond milk, and we got some Oreos too because they look delicious. We're going to see A Star Is Born, and we heard that it's really sad and that we're probably going to cry. So when we were checking out, Vanessa was like, okay, we'll just eat Oreos and cry all night. And the person at the register was like, sounds like a good plan. Winner, winner. Gluten-free vegan dinner.
Come a little bit closer, hear what I have to say. Just like children sleeping, we could dream this night away. But there's a full moon rising, let's go dancing in the light. We know where the music's playing, let's go out and feel the night. Because I'm still in love with you, I wanna see you dance again. Because I'm still